Getting started with InTemp.
Here is our CX400 in its packaging from the factory. When we unpackage the logger, you will see you get the batteries, which are 2 AAA batteries with a little door to enclose those batteries. This particular logger has the external temperature sensor with a glycol bottle included. This is all assembled. All we have to do is plug that external sensor into the data logger itself. We get a quick start guide basically that goes through all these steps we're going to talk about right here, and a statement of FCC compliance. That's the Federal Communications Commission. And here is our data logger. The first thing the quick start guide tells us to do is put the batteries in. So here are my batteries. These are standard AAA alkaline batteries. Just open these up. And when we insert them, you have to be careful to put them in the right polarity. Plus to plus, minus to minus. Very simple. In the back, it's marked as such. And when you put in the second battery, what you'll see on the front is it will light up and say onset. There we go. And so it is booting up now, and we see the little battery indicator at the top of the screen. The next step is to plug in the external temperature sensor. Obviously, if you have a model of CX400 that doesn't have this, you don't have to do this step. There we go, that's plugged in. Here's our glycol bottle with the holder, and we have a little double stick tape we can stick on the bottom of this if we want to adhere it to something. The last thing we want to do is put the little battery cover on the back to cover the batteries, and you need a little Phillips screwdriver to do that. And we'll screw that down, and then we'll be ready to communicate with it using our InTemp app that we're going to download from our App Store or Google Play, depending on if we're using Android or Apple devices.